Traveling can be one of the most valuable experiences in a person's life. When people visit foreign countries, they learn about different cultures and traditions. Many travelers become more independent because they must solve problems alone. In addition, traveling often improves communication skills and self-confidence. Some people prefer relaxing holidays, while others enjoy adventurous activities. Trying local food is usually one of the most exciting parts of a trip. However, traveling can sometimes be stressful because of delays and unexpected problems. Despite these difficulties, most people return home with unforgettable memories. Modern technology has also made traveling easier and more affordable than before. In conclusion, traveling is not only entertaining but also educational and personally rewarding. Education plays an extremely important role in modern society. Good education can provide better career opportunities and financial stability. Many students believe that school should prepare them for real-life situations. Besides academic subjects, communication and problem-solving skills are also essential. Nowadays, online learning has become increasingly popular around the world. Some students enjoy studying from home because it is more flexible and comfortable. On the other hand, others miss personal interaction with teachers and classmates. Exams can motivate students, but they can also create a lot of pressure and stress. Teachers should encourage creativity instead of focusing only on memorization. Overall, education is one of the most powerful tools for personal development. Maintaining good health is important for living a balanced and productive life. Regular exercise can improve both physical and mental well-being. Many doctors recommend eating healthy food and avoiding too much sugar or fast food. Getting enough sleep is also necessary for concentration and energy. Unfortunately, modern lifestyles are often stressful and unhealthy. Many people spend too much time sitting in front of screens every day. As a result, health problems such as obesity and anxiety are becoming more common. Mental health should receive the same attention as physical health. Small habits like walking regularly or drinking more water can make a big difference. In conclusion, people should take better care of their bodies and minds. Technology has completely transformed the way people live and work. Most individuals use smartphones and the internet every single day. Technology makes communication faster and provides access to endless information. Students can now learn online and communicate with teachers from different countries. Businesses also use modern technology to improve productivity and efficiency. However, excessive use of digital devices can create serious distractions. Many people spend less time with family because they are constantly online. There are also growing concerns about privacy and cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence may change many jobs in the future. Although technology offers many advantages, people should learn to use it responsibly. Environmental protection has become a major global issue in recent years. Climate change is causing extreme weather conditions in many parts of the world. Pollution from factories and vehicles damages both nature and human health. Plastic waste is especially dangerous for oceans and wildlife. Many governments are investing in renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Recycling can also help reduce the amount of waste produced by society. Individuals should try to save water and electricity whenever possible. Public transportation is often more environmentally friendly than driving private cars. Young people are becoming increasingly active in environmental movements. If society works together, future generations may live in a cleaner and healthier world. Having a stable job is important for financial security and independence. Many people spend a large part of their lives at work. Some employees prioritize a high salary, while others value job satisfaction more. A positive work environment can improve motivation and productivity. Teamwork and communication skills are essential in most professions today. Many companies now allow employees to work remotely from home. Although remote work offers flexibility, it can sometimes feel isolating. Unemployment can create both financial and emotional difficulties. Continuous learning is becoming increasingly important in modern careers. Overall, Choosing the right career can strongly influence a person's happiness and future. Healthy relationships are an important part of a happy life. Strong friendships provide emotional support during difficult times. Trust and honest communication are essential in every relationship. Family members can also help people overcome personal challenges. However, conflicts and misunderstandings are natural in human relationships. It is important to solve problems calmly and respectfully. Social media sometimes creates unrealistic expectations about friendships and love. Long-distance relationships often require patience and strong commitment. Spending quality time together can strengthen emotional connections. In conclusion, good relationships are built on trust, respect, and understanding. Entertainment plays an important role in helping people relax after stressful days. Many individuals enjoy watching films, listening to music, or playing video games. Streaming platforms have become extremely popular in recent years. Social media also influences the way people spend their free time. Some forms of entertainment can even be educational and inspiring. Reading books, for example, can improve imagination and vocabulary. However, spending too much time online can become unhealthy. Many young people struggle to balance entertainment and responsibilities. Outdoor hobbies and sports can provide healthier alternatives. Overall, entertainment is beneficial when people use it in moderation. Living in a big city offers both advantages and disadvantages. Cities usually provide better job opportunities and public services. There are often more entertainment options, restaurants, and cultural events. Public transportation is also more developed in urban areas. However, city life can be stressful because of traffic and noise. The cost of living is often much higher than in smaller towns or villages. Many people living in cities have less free space and less contact with nature. Air pollution is another serious problem in large metropolitan areas. Despite these disadvantages, Some people enjoy the fast pace of urban life. In conclusion, the ideal place to live depends on a person's lifestyle and priorities. Social media has become an important part of everyday communication. People use social platforms to share opinions, photos, and personal experiences. Social media allows individuals to stay connected with friends and family. Businesses also use these platforms for marketing and advertising. However, social media can negatively affect mental health and self-esteem. Many users compare their lives to unrealistic online content. Spending too much time online can reduce face-to-face communication. False information can also spread very quickly through social networks. Despite these risks, social media can be useful when used responsibly. Overall, people should try to maintain a healthy balance between online and real life.